Good afternoon. Time to wrap up the 30-year bond trades that were done today, this March the 4th, 2015. We came in today expecting a trading range given Friday's non-farm payroll announcement and tomorrow's announcement from the ECB on their quantitative easing program too and their interest rates. Our number 2 sell zone was at 7 to 11, and we got strong buying off the opening. So the first trade that came up was a mean green trade. If you cross from the value area low to the value area high, you have a resting limit buy order, 1 tick inside the mean green, and it gave us a nice trade. You made 6 to 10, 30 seconds on that. The next trade that comes up is a software generated trade. The letter B is under that bar, and you're in that trade from 02 all the way up to 11 or 10, so you had a shot at 6 to 8, 30 seconds. We did have a sell 7 to 11, so this S is not an ideal trade because we haven't had a retest of this high. But if you took the trade, you scratch that trade to made upwards of 330 seconds. If you took this trade off this letter B right here, scratch this trade or made 230 seconds depending on how you exit it. But the trade of the second trade of the day came from right here. This is our retest failure, that retest of the high that came here. And you could have been short as high as 10, leaning against that high right there. You could have been short as low as 6. And the market trades down to 28, so you had a shot at 6 to 10, 30 seconds. And then the market peels off. We don't have a trade out of this area that's set up by the software. On this trade right down here, this S, you take it. It's a very poor place to sell because you're against the value area low, but if you did take it, you had a loser. Then the software puts a B underneath this bar, and you've got a small winner of 1 to 330 seconds. Don't quite make the mean green trade, comes back down, and the market closes out off this retest failure trade here where you had a shot at 3 to a max of 6. So if you had taken just the minimum amount on each of these trades right here, you'd had 630 seconds, 1230 seconds, total of 0 on those. You're still at 12. You'd have 1830 seconds. Right here off of this B, you'd have 1930 seconds, and off this retest failure right here, you'd have 3 for a total of 2230 seconds, and 2230 seconds grosses you 887.50. So this is a big contract. It can make you a lot of money. It's just the way it trades. It's the way that it works. If you're not trading the bond, you need to seriously consider it. If you'd like to know more about us and how this is done, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you get an overview of our software and our trading methodologies. To further encourage you to take a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year bond, the 10-year note, and the E-mini. Contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, good trading.